this is the first example, okay? If you have like 3 halves x plus 1/4 is equals to, this is a 1/5 x minus 2. So, okay, basically, we will be doing the same thing, Dion. We will group the terms with the variable and the terms that are constant. So, 3 halves x, okay, and then you transfer this to the other side, right? So this becomes minus 1/5 x, right? And then negative 2, the 1/4 here, this one, you transfer it to the other side as well. This becomes minus 1/4, right? Get it? Okay. 3 halves x and 1/5 x. What's the LCD? What's the least common denominator? Okay. What's the smallest number that can both be divided by 2 and 5?
2.
2 and 5, yeah. The smallest number that can both be divided by 5 and 2.
1.
No.
Oh.
Divided by 2 and 5, meaning divisible by 5 and 2. For example, 4 is divisible by 2, something like that. Any number, pero this time, you need to consider what can be divided by both 2 and 5. What's that number? Definitely not 4, because 4 is divisible by 2, but not by 5. The number has to be divisible both by 2 and 5. So what's that number?
10.
Yes, so that's what you call the LCD, the least common denominator. So this becomes now 10 x minus one also becomes 10x. Okay. So what will happen? 10 divided by 2.
5.
5 times 3.
15.
Yes. So 3 halves x becomes now 15 over 10. How about this one? 10 divided by 5, that's 2 times 1. So 1/5 x becomes 2/10 x. It's basically the same. How about this one, this side? What's the least common denominator? If you have a constant Fion, automatically, you assume a denominator of 1. So basically now, all you have to think about is what's the number that can both be divided by 4 and 1? What's the number? That's
4.
4. That's good. Yeah. So 4 divided by 1, it's 4 times 2, that is 8. 4 divided by 4 times 1 becomes, 4 divided by 1 is 1 times 1, that is 1.
1.
Okay. Okay, what will happen next? 15 minus 2, 10 becomes?
15 minus 2 equals 13.
13 over 10x equals 8 minus 1, negative 8 minus 1 becomes
7.
negative 9. No.
No,
Negative
negative 9.
minus 1.
I forgot the negative sign. It looks connected.
To get rid of this, so that your answer is x, you multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this one. So 10 over 13. 10 over 13. So cancel this one out. Cancel this. What you have left is this. 10 and 4, you can simplify that. 10 becomes 5. 4 becomes 2. So 2 times 13 is 26. And negative 9 times 5 is negative 45. That's the answer. Get it, Fion? Huh? Okay, let's.
A little.
A little. Okay. Let's do your example, the one that I gave you. What was that? Okay. Let's do this. 2/3 x plus 6 is equals to x plus 1. Okay. What will happen?
Multiply.
Multiply this. You distribute the 2/3, multiply it with x, and multiply it to 6. So this
X.
becomes 2/3 times
6.
x. That's 2/3 x. Plus 2/3 times 6. That becomes 12/3. Okay? Is equals to x plus 1. Question? None so far, right? Wala? Okay. Next is, this becomes 2/3 x. Then transpose the 1 to the left side, it becomes -1. I'm sorry. Transpose the x to the other side, becomes minus x is equals to 1 minus transpose the 12/3 to the other side, it becomes 12/3. Get it? Gets Fion?
Yeah.
Okay. And then 2/3 x minus x becomes
1/3.
1/3. Sure?
Yeah.
Huh? Least common
Yeah.
denominator. Least common denominator is 3.
Um.
3 divided by 3. 3. 1 times 2 becomes 2x. 2/3 x.
Oh.
3 divided by 1, 3 times x, that's 3x. 3/3. Then this becomes 1 minus 12/3 is 4, -3. So 2/3 minus 3/3 is -1/3 x is equals to -3. To get rid for a while.
What happened to the 12?
12 divided by 3
Oh.
is 4. 1 minus 4 is -3. Get it? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and then multiply both sides by -3. So cancel this one out. All you have left is x is equals to -3 times -3. It's 9. You get it? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Another way of solving this Fion is this. Wait, let me erase this. Okay. Another way of solving this Fion is you can start by multiplying both sides by 3 to get rid of the denominator. So what you will do is you multiply both sides by 3, 3, and then 3 at the other side as well. So you 3 and 3 here cancels out. All you have left is 2, then x plus 6, and then you have 3 times x plus 1. Get it? And then you distribute the 2 here. 2 times x, then 6. So you have 2x plus 5. twice. The 3 here, again, distribute. Mhm. That's why you have 3x plus, and then you combine the variables and the constant. So you have 2x minus 3x is equals to 3 3x minus 2x minus 3x is negative x. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. You can't have a negative x, so you multiply both sides by negative 1. So negative 1 times negative x becomes x. Negative 9 times negative 1, it's 9. That's the answer. It's the same.
Oh,
You get it?
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, another. Okay, get another page. Okay, another Fion. You have 3/4 x minus 3, 1/2 x plus 2. Okay. So what you will do here, this is pretty easy. Why? Because all you need to do is you just directly now, you can now directly combine like terms. So 3/4 x, transpose the 1/2 x to the other side, it becomes 1 minus 1/2 x equals to 2. Then transpose the minus 3 to the other side, this becomes plus 3. Get?
3.
Okay. You have a fraction, no, at the variable side. So all you need to do once again is you find the LCD, the least common denominator. What's the least common denominator here?
4.
Yeah, it's 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1 times 3, that is 3. 3/4 x. 4 divided by 2, that's 2 times 1, that's 2. X is equals to 2 plus 3, that's 5. 3/4 x minus 2/4 x, that becomes 1/4 x is equals to 5. To find x, what to do? You multiply both sides by 4. Right? Cancel the 4 out here. So what you have left is x is equals to 5 times 4, 20. 20 is your answer. Understood, Fion?
Hmm.
Okay. Let's move on to the last example. Last example is this. 3 over x minus 2 is equals to negative 2. Okay, what do we need to do here? The x minus 2 is at the denominator. So to make it easier, Fion, all you need to do is you just multiply both sides by that the same denominator, x minus 2. So x minus 2, you also do that at the other side, x minus 2. You can cancel this entire terms. So what you have left
3.
is 3 is equals to negative 2 times x minus 2. Understood? Okay, and then you can distribute, you can multiply this negative 2 here. You distribute it inside the parentheses. So what you have now is 3 is equals to negative 2x plus 4. Yes? And then place all the variables on the left side to make it easier. This becomes 2x is equals to 4 minus 3. So you have 2x is equals to 1. And then you divide both sides by 2. Cancel this one out. So you have now x is equals to 1/2. That's your answer. Get it, Fion?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be sending you another set of problems of another set of equations in order for you to find x. And this time, we will be doing the same thing.
Okay.
I'll be giving you a problem containing fractions. Is that okay? Okay, that's
Yeah.
all. Bye.
Bye.